Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can watch NBA games on YouTube TV. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually need to do is head over to YouTube TV's website and actually first subscribe to YouTube TV if you haven't already. You want to first go ahead and subscribe to their base plan, and that actually includes more than 85 live channels, including some that offer NBA games. To start with, there's ABC, and they broadcast select NBA games, including key matchups on Sunday afternoons, and they also air NBA final games. There's also ESPN, who airs NBA games throughout the week, including double headers on Wednesday and Friday. Then there's TNT, who shows NBA games every Thursday and Tuesday. And finally there's NBA TV, which airs several NBA games per week and provides 24/7 coverage of the league. So as long as you have the base plan, you can choose any of those channels to watch NBA games. However, if you're an NBA fan, you can buy the NBA League Pass to watch all of your favourite games on YouTube TV. They show you all out of market, which is outside of your local area, regular season NBA games. And these games are in addition to the ones available on the channels I just mentioned. But to add that, it will cost an extra $200 per year for an entire season, or you can spend $28.99 a month for a monthly plan. From there, once you have subscribed and added the NBA League Pass, you can watch all NBA games live. And you can also see the schedule for upcoming games. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say it helps you out. And also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.